If you're experiencing lag spikes in The Sims 4, there are several adjustments you can make to improve performance. Follow these steps to help reduce lag and enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game options. Go to the game menu, select game options, then graphics, and reduce settings such as resolution, texture quality, and visual effects. Step 2. Manage mods and custom content. Check for outdated mods or custom content that may be causing performance issues. Remove or update any mods that are not compatible with the latest game version to ensure smoother gameplay. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing The Sims 4 to run more efficiently. Step 4. Optimize your computer. Make sure your computer is optimized for gaming. This includes updating your graphics drivers, ensuring you have enough RAM, and performing regular maintenance like disk cleanup and defragmentation. Step 5. Use game repair feature. If you continue to experience lag, use the game repair feature available through the EA app or Origin. This can fix any corrupted game files that may be contributing to performance issues. By following these steps, you should see a noticeable improvement in the performance of The Sims 4, reducing lag spikes and enhancing your overall gaming experience. Enjoy your time in the game.